Unlock the power to send money directly from your bank account to your Moneygram profile in just a few simple steps. First, ensure you have the Moneygram app installed on your smartphone or are logged into your Moneygram account on their website. This is where the magic happens. So let's dive in. If you're using the app, open it and log in with your existing Moneygram credentials if you don't have an account yet. Now is the perfect time to create one circumflex euros. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings or profile. Look for an option that says Payment Methods, Linked Accounts, or something similar. This is crucial for adding your bank details. Tap on Add Payment Method, or the equivalent. You'll then be presented with several choices. Select the option that allows you to link your bank account, often labeled as Bank Account or Direct Bank Transfer. Now, you'll need to carefully enter your bank account information. This typically includes your bank's routing number, your account number, and sometimes your bank's name. Double-check these details for accuracy to avoid any issues. After filling in your bank details, you'll likely see a confirmation screen. Review everything one last time to ensure everything is correct. Then, hit the Confirm or Link Account button to finalize the process. Congratulations! Your bank account is now linked to your Moneygram profile. This means you can initiate transfers directly from your bank, making it incredibly convenient and secure to send and receive funds. Whenever you need to send money, simply select your linked bank account as the payment method within the Moneygram app or website. Enjoy the seamless experience of managing your finances with Moneygram.